I recently came across something that completely changed how I think about food security and self-sufficiency. It's called My Survival Farm, and it's honestly one of the most practical and empowering systems I've ever seen. Imagine having your own hidden food garden that doesn't need daily watering, no digging, no fertilizing, and no weeding, yet still grows fresh, organic food year after year. That's exactly what this is. It's based on permaculture, which mimics nature's own way of growing food, where plants work together to thrive without constant human effort. The setup is simple and the system practically runs on autopilot, growing over 125 different plants including fruits, vegetables, herbs, and even powerful medicinal plants. What amazed me the most is how the garden is designed to be completely hidden in plain sight, so it looks like a normal backyard, but it's actually a food-producing ecosystem that could feed your family in any crisis. The guide is incredibly easy to follow, filled with diagrams, plant combinations, and even climate-specific instructions, so you know exactly what to grow where you live. They also include extra bonuses on water storage and filtration, food preservation through canning, and even tips to make money by selling your surplus produce. And yes, it even works if you live in a city apartment. They've included special tips for small space and indoor gardening too. It's hard to believe something so low maintenance could be this productive, but the way everything supports itself, from pest-repelling plants to natural fertilizers, is genius. I've started setting up mine, and the sense of peace and control it gives me is something I didn't expect. If you care about staying prepared and growing your own clean food with almost no effort, this is the one system I'd wholeheartedly recommend.